Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. You're going to find timeline in the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline it will suit you. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet a subscriber? Why, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. Because in Telegram, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. And please, guys, support us by just smashing the like button, writing down comment, because it doesn't mean a lot to you, but it meant a lot to us. So please go ahead and smash in that like button. Now let's start our lesson of today. So as you see here, today is Monday and the daily candle here, it's showing to us a reddish here as you see it here, but here in the daily it's not yet. Let me show you something very important here. People that been with us, they remember that. As we tell you here, we got here an inside bar as you see it here. Until now we couldn't break down here as you see it. We couldn't break that level here, and here in the top we couldn't break. So in the daily till now there is nothing yet. You need to wait in more till the right moment came to you. Here in that level where we are, it's not yet. Remember that. Look at it very clear. See any candle breaking down here? No. You see any candle breaking up here? No. So there is no entry long, no entry short. Also, we are just in a sideways market, guys. Everything is too clear here. So here in the daily, there is nothing yet. You need to wait and more what's going to happen. And people they been with us, they remember that. We're gonna show you here in the daily. I told you we got here up channel like that. Look at it. We started from here and we do it like that together. As you remember it like that. That up channel here, we touch in the lower of it here. Now we touch in here the top of it. We couldn't break it. Now either from here we're going to go back to touch the lower here. Then after that we are going to go up more higher. Or another scenario, it might from that level where we are, we're going to break here. Everything is too clear. And in Friday, what I told you, the last Friday, we do it like that. We said we got here 2 levels. First level here is at 31k. Second level is down here at 22,500. Those was the levels of options. That whereas people they put in the pots and calls. So if it fall down here, people they are going to buy. If it go up here, people they are going to sell. Till now we haven't touched in that 30k. So we're still waiting what's going to happen. And the market is showing to us it's very flat. There is no power to push up, no power to push down. People they are here. The bottom from down they are not going to sell. And they're still waiting what the market is going to do till a major bank have fall down or something. And we experienced that before here in that Silvergate, that Silicon Valley Bank when they collapsed, but we don't see that major move. So till now there is nothing yet here in the daily. And may I tell it to you before, if you see any correction happening, try to buy more. That's it. That's the only advice I can tell you here in the daily. If you see a correction happening here to that 25, 24k here, try to buy. Till now there is nothing yet here and the markets look very flat. But if it falls down, try to buy more. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see the coming news for today. For pictures to get more clear to you, so let's go in there. Here we are. That's the coming news for today. As you see it, we got very important news today. We got that CBI, Consumer Confidence of USA. That one is very important. As you see, the previous one, it used to be 102. Here, the forecast for those ones is 101. That means it's going to fall down. That means consumers, they're losing confidence. Let's make it like that. I'm just trying to explain to you like that. If it came like that 101, that means US dollar is going to fall down a little bit. So that one is a good sign for Bitcoin. But let's wait in what's going to happen. But people, they still waiting the GDP. The GDP is going to move the market to somewhere. Till now, there is nothing yet. And here, the table of us we're looking at it every day here. As you remember it, what's it doing today? As you see, US stocks today, even them, they stay sideways here. What make me to say they stay sideways is the move here. As you see, it's 0.06, 0.01, 0.4. That means the market doesn't move that much. And here, our friend, is the VIX. As you see it, is it 20.6? Why? It's falling down the risk, or people, they are not scared that much how it used to be the first days of the week, because the banking system, they found for it a solution those days. So that way you see the scariness is going back a little bit lower. So till now, us, we don't care, because the Fed, what it doing till now, they printing more money. And that, yes, for the banking system, that meant they give them more liquidity, they give them more cash for the banking system to solve the problems of them. But that very bad for US economic. That way also we buying the Bitcoin. For the Bitcoin, also we are very close to the halving cycle, and majority of you didn't know in 2024 we got the halving cycle. So try to buy as much as you can those days of Bitcoin, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. In the last video, what I told you here in the 4 hours, I told you we got here a very clear diamond like that. We make it like that, and we came down here and we do it like that. The diamond, as you see, is getting broke here in that level here. Should you enter short? Yes, you can. I'm going to tell it to you. Yes, you can enter short now from that level here. But for the people, they enter when that break happening here. People, they haven't entered. What should you do? Now you got here a price action, another price action here. Look at it here. You see it or no? You got here a triangle, very clear triangle here. People, they haven't entered from the break here, from that break here. Sorry, like that. When that candle break here, now you waiting if the break happening down here in that level, because who's still holding the Bitcoin in that level where we are is that level where we are now here. Sorry, that level here. We're still holding the Bitcoin till now from don't fall down. If we break that level here, we are going to go to that 25k. So now you, what should you do here in 30 minutes? Look with me what I'm going to do. You came to that peak, that one, and you connecting them by a line like that, very clear line like that. And down here, you came to those ones, that one here, and that one here. And you connecting them by a line like that, and you waiting. If the Bitcoin break above here, you enter long. If the Bitcoin break down here, you enter short. I'm not talking about the people they enter today, because today is Monday. And I've been telling you that Monday always doing against what the market is going to do all the week. So people, they enter short from here, they need to put stop loss here. If the market came up and breaking above here, close the short and open a long here. Stop loss of you, put it down here in that level. Everything is too clear, guys. I think picture is too clear here. Now let's go in to see our indicator, what it's saying here in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Our indicator, as you see it here in the 4 hours, we used to have here the divergence, and also we followed that 2 weeks, I think now. Look at it now. What it done here in that level where we are here. We break in from the bull control to the bear control. Let me show it to you very clear here. As you see it here, we break in down. We break in from the bull control to the bear's control. We enter in a bear market, guys, here in the 4 hours. You remember what else we used to have? A diamond. The diamond is getting broke down here. That's for the people they enter from here, from that break here. Now for the people they haven't entered, I just show you, we got in the chart a triangle like that. You wait in that triangle to get broke here. And even for people they haven't entered, or people they enter, if it's breaking down, add more position and enter again. Everything is too clear, guys. I think picture is too clear here. Now let's go into our other indicator. What is it saying? The one here, same thing. We used to be here at the overbought area for some time now. From here all the time, we used to have here that diamond like that, that diamond here. We used to have it. That diamond is getting broke down, and me, I tell it to you yesterday, diamond is a reversal pattern. That diamond is getting broke now. People, they enter from the break candle when it's getting broke. Fair enough. Using stop loss. Put stop loss up here and waiting where is the market is going to go. People, they haven't entered. I just show you. You got here a triangle like that. Very clear triangle here. You wait in the triangle to get broke down. If it's getting broke, even the people, they enter in the break of that diamond. If it's breaking down here, enter another short. Take profit of you. It needs to be down here in that level here. So let me show it to you. It needs to be here at that level here of 24k, as you see. Over here it needs to be the take profit of you. Everything is too clear, guys? Or you wait in our indicator till it's enter here to the oversold area. Then fair enough, you close a little bit and you move stop loss down till you get another price action. It's telling you the market is going to reverse. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, first we enter a short from here, we close it. Here we open a long, we close the profit of that long here in that level here. Then in the last video, watch me, I told you, we do it like that. People, they been with us, they remember that. I told you we got here a very clear symmetric triangle. You can find it in the last video. I told you if it's getting broke, enter short. It's getting broke here. So from here, till down here. Why down here? Because down here is a very, very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at it. So we'll have you close the profit here. Now at that level where we are here, what we got? Did we got any price action here? Not very clear. Let me make it like that. Not a very clear price action. The only price action you got there is that one. That one here, that triangle like that. And here in the top, you still have that trend line here. So for you to enter long, it needs to come to break above here for us to know the market is going to go more higher. And for the short, it needs to come to break down here for us to know the market is going to fall down more there where it reached now. People, they enter short from the break here. Take some of the profit now. You are in nice profit now. Take some of the profit. You don't know what's going to happen in the coming hours or coming days. I don't tell you to close everything, but just take some of the profit. Secure yourself. Now you are in profit. Look at it. You enter from here. Now you are in profit. Fair enough. Only thing now is we're still waiting that break here to happen. That one here. The market to break that level here, and also we are going to enter short. I'm going to come back to you in the coming hours, and I'm going to tell you if the market is going to fall down more or not. And by the way, for people that asking me to put 2 videos per day, I don't see any support from you guys. That way I don't put in 2 videos, because if I put a video, at least the video to reach 200 to 300 views, although I put 2 videos, but me I put a video to reach to 150, 160, so why should I put 2 videos? Only 1 video. You, if you want me to put 2 videos, support me by just smashing the like button, writing down comments, because those things is small from you, but it's helping the channel to growing up more. So please go ahead and do it. I know you haven't do it till now, so please pause the video now, smash the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. It's our indicator, what it's saying here in 30 minutes. Our indicator, as you see it, also we are here at the oversold area. Level, we are in a very, very, very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at it. Told you enter long. The only time you can enter long if we came and we break in here. If we break in here, you can enter long. Till now, there is no entry long. You enter short from here because we used to be here at the overbought area. Then the market, it came and breaking for us the lower of that symmetric triangle here. We enter. Now our indicator is here at the oversold area, so you need to take some of the profit. You need to protect yourself. That's the only thing I can tell you guys. Everything is too clear. So that's it for that video, and please guys, please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.